Today I'm out here going to start trimming windows in. That's the project for today. Try and get this thing a little bit more weather tight. We'll keep you updated. I'm here myself. The photographer is busy today, so I'll keep you informed when something interesting happens. Talk to you in a bit. So the windows that we're going to use were donated by Norm, my uncle, and they're cut down versions of his garage doors that we replaced a couple years ago. So we're recycling some more of the garage doors. We used them in the first cabin build, and now we're using them here for windows. So we'll see how they turn out. Thanks, Uncle Norman. Alright, front windows are done. We may put some weather stripping in there, but I think I should keep most of the weather out. These windows will work out good. Still got outside trim to do. Okay, we got a whole window opening is closed off. Latches are all put on. All we got to do with the inside is I'm going to fill these gaps in. We're just going to fill them in with boards on both sides. Now there's some weather stripping for the doors, and we'll close in this piece up here when we do the outside trim. We're getting closer. Won't be shivering this year. This is just a temporary board, I think. Got a little bit of trim to do above the door. Just a couple little things left to do, so I'll show you the trim here in a sec around the windows.